In this video, I will show you how to browse Facebook or create a Facebook account on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here on my Google Smart TV, but the first thing we need to do right here is to make sure we download a particular browser that are in support of this kind of things on your Google TV. So how do we do that? First thing first, we want to make sure I go to my home page right here, and then you see this browser right here. It has a lot of things. You can actually browse Google, you can actually browse BBC, YouTube, and a lot of things, including your WhatsApp. You can use it on your browser in the Google TV. How can you get this particular app? First thing first, go ahead and navigate to apps from the home screen of your Google Smart TV. And having navigated to apps, come to apps category right here. Then you want to make sure you slide this way and make sure you go to productivity right here. Under productivity, make sure you slide this way. If you cannot find it right here, go back to productivity and then go back to the app category right here and then slide this way and make sure you look for browser. So if I not see it, you can check on tools. All right, so it has to be right here under tools. Then all you have to do is to make sure you look for this browser. Click on it and make sure you download and install it on your Google TV. However, if you cannot find it this way, so I'm going to close this browser right here. So if you cannot find it this way, you can as well get it from Google Play Store on your smart TV. So for you to get to your Google Play Store, go to the setting icon on your smart TV, click on setting icon, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to apps. Then under apps, go to Google Play Store. In some cases, if you cannot find Google Play Store under apps right here, most time Google Play Store hide in the system app. How can you navigate? Click on see all apps right here. Then scroll down all the way down until you get to show system apps. Just like so. Now on getting to system apps, there are a lot of system apps right here. You just have to make sure you scroll down. You continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store right here. Click on Google Play Store and hit on open. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to search, and then you want to make sure you search for browser. So I have it by default right here. Just click on browser. Make sure you download and install this browser. After a successful download and install it on your Google TV, click on open and it's going to load up right here. Now from the home page right here, you have different things that you can do with this browser. So what we want to use here is Facebook. Go ahead and click on Facebook. It's going to load up in a few seconds, just like so. Now, what you can do right here is that you can log into your Facebook account, or better still, you can create a new Facebook account entirely. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through on how to create a free Facebook account on your Google TV. What you want to do right here is to simply navigate to create new account right here. So it's going to take you to this particular form. All you have to do is to simply fill up all details about the account right here. So such as your first name right here. Put in your first name. Then go ahead and proceed to your then proceed to surname right here. Surname, enter your surname. Then proceed to date of birth right here. Proceed to month. Then enter your email address or phone number. So I'm going to use email address right here. You can use email address or phone number, but I'm going to use email address. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and enter your account password right here. Enter your account password. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on submit right here.